Hey girls and boys, it is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Very happy to be with you today to talk about place value. You can see above me here, this way, I have a place value chart that goes all the way to the 100 millions, okay? So let's take a look at this chart, which you should also have with you. So you should have this out in front of you. So let's get familiar with it. We have over here, we have the ones period. Call this the ones period, right? And so you could have 1, 1, right? 10 ones or 100 ones. Over here we have the thousands period. So you could have 1,000, 10,000s, or 100,000s, okay? And then over here we have the millions period. So we've got 1 million, we can have 10 million, or 100 millions, okay? So this, of course it goes to billions and trillions and gazillions and it goes on and on and on. But for now, okay, let's just stick with the ones, thousands, and millions. Okay, so here's what we're going to do right now. We're going to play a game. It's a place value game. You can play it anytime that you feel like. But I'm going to show you how it works. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you if you go to Google, right, and you type in dice roller, and I hit turn, okay, this is what comes up. Okay, and you can select either a 4-sided, 6, 8, 10-sided, 12, 20, and on and on and on. For today, we're just going to use a 10-sided dice, which is 0 through 9. So I'm going to click 10. Okay, I'm going to click this to get rid of it. So we have a 10-sided dice. So I'm going to see this button says roll. I'm going to roll it. Okay, and it says 10. So we can't use 10. It has to be a single-digit number. Okay, so 10 does not work. So let's try again. There may not be a 0 on this. Let's try it again. 8. Okay, so let's go back to our place value chart. Sorry about that. So what I'm going to tell you is this. I'm going to, the way to win this game is by making a 4-digit number, the largest 4-digit number that we can make. Okay? So, for example, I'll do this one myself. So if we're only using 4 digits, what is the highest place value we could possibly put a digit into if it's only 4 digits? The 1,000s, right? Right here. Because we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Now I could put the 8 here in the thousands place. I could put the 8 here in the hundreds, or the tens place, or the ones place. But 8's a pretty high number. I think the only one higher we could get would be 9, right? So I'm going to gamble and say that 8's going to be the highest. Now once I put my number down, I can't change it. No, it's against the rules. You can't move it. All right, so let's go back to our roller. And now if you want to play along with me, yeah, let's do this. You play along with me. So now you put your 8 where you want. Now, maybe you'll put it in the hundreds place, hoping for a 9, but I'm only going to roll it 3 more times, so let's see what happens. Okay, I'm going to roll. You should already have your 8 down somewhere. If you're still thinking about it, you can hit pause. Okay, here we go. Roll. Oh, it's another 8. Okay, so let's go back to our, oops, not that one, this one, thank you. So I'm going to put that 8 right here. So I'm trying to make the largest number possible. Okay. All right, let's go back. Let's roll it again. Roll. Oh, it's a 9. I can't believe it. Oh boy, so now I cannot make the highest number possible. But maybe you did. If you kept the thousands place open, you could put your 9 there. Oh, man. Okay, let's go back. Let's try it again. We got to roll it one more time. Roll. 8 again. My goodness, this thing is Gives me some high numbers. All right, so I'm going to put, I'm going to put my 8 right here. All right, so here's my question. What number did I come up with? What's this? How do you read this number? So remember, I said this was the thousands period. So we look within the period. Actually, I'm going to make this a different color. Make it darker, okay? So we have 8 thousands. So we have 8,000, right, comma, 8,000. And then we say this number, 898. We have 800s, 90, and then 8. We don't say 898 ones. We just already know that it's ones, okay? So the ones period, we don't actually say it. So I would say this 8,898. Now you say it. All right, good. Okay, you want to practice that. Okay, so what is the highest number we could have made with those digits? It would have been 9,888, right? Because if that 9 was in the thousands place, it would be even larger. Okay? All right, so let's play it. Should we play it one more time? Why not? Let's play it again. All right, so we're going to do a new number. It's still going to have 4 digits. Okay, so keep that in mind. I'm going to roll it. If it's an 8, I'm switching it. Okay, it's a 5. All right, so let's go back to our paper. Now, where do we put the 5? I'm going to put mine... I'm going to put mine here. Where are you going to put yours? Remember, you can't change it once you're done, okay? Oh, also, if anybody had put 9,888 for the last one, then you won, because you had the highest number. Okay, so let's get another number going here. And roll. 7. Okay, 7. So where are you going to put your 7? I'm going to put mine here, hoping I get an 8 or a 9 here. I hope I don't get a higher number that I have to put over there. All right, let's see what happens. Let's do it again. And roll. What do we get? 4. Okay. So where should I put my 4? Should I put it in the thousands place or the ones place? If I want the highest number, I should put it in the ones place, right? Okay, so I'm going to put it there. So I'm crossing my fingers for an 8 or a 9 or a 7. Either one of those would give me the highest number I could possibly make, right? But if I get something lower, it's not going to be the highest number. Okay, so let's see. Drum roll, please. Wait, hold on. Drum roll. Roll. What do we got? Oh, 2! I can't believe the lowest number. Oh, man, did I mess up that one. Okay, so I'm putting the 2. I'm going to put this in, I'm going to make the 2, yeah, I'll make it in brown again, 2. Okay? All right, so I did not make the highest number possible. What number did I make? Can you say it? Read the number aloud. Okay, so you should have said 2,754. Okay, repeat that after me if you didn't get it. 2,754. Okay? Remember, you don't say 754 ones. You just know that they're ones. Okay? All right, so which number is bigger? 8,898 or 2,754? Clearly, the 8,898. All you have to do is look at those two numbers and you know right away that the 8,000 number is going to be bigger, right? You already know it. Okay, so here's my next question. What's the largest number we could have made with 2,754? What is the largest number? If you wrote, so think about it, if you wrote down 7,542, I'll write that down, 7,542, then you won that game because that's the highest number you could have possibly made. Okay? So we're going to actually take that number, 7,542, and I want you to now go to this paper. It's a place value organizer. Okay? It should say, down here, it should say thousands place and tens place. So I'm going to write that number, 7,542. All right, so I'm going to show you how this works, and then I want you to try one yourself, okay? So word form would be writing it out exactly how I said it. So that would be 7,000, comma, 540 hyphen 2. You always put a hyphen between the tens and the ones place, okay? Now expanded form, I know you guys have been working on this. We would have, it's just like it sounds, 7,000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 2, right? Because the value of the 2 is 2, the value of the 4 in the tens place is 40, and the value of the 5 is 500, okay? All right, now let's do this. Let's go down here, actually. It says, what is the value of the digit in the thousands place? Well, what digit's in the thousands place? The 7, right? So I'm going to write down 7. I'm sorry. That is the digit, but it says, what is the value of the digit in the thousands place? So the value is 7,000. Okay, and what is the value of the digit in the tens place? Well, we know that is 4. And the value is 40. Okay, so here, over here, I actually want you to cross off 10,000 more, and right for now I want you to write 1,000 more. Okay, so what is 1,000 more than 7,542? All we need to do is go and look at our thousands place, and we're going to add another 1,000. So what's one more 1,000 than 7,000? That would give us 8,000. So that would give us the number 8,000. And then the rest of the numbers would stay the same, 542. Okay, because it's just the thousands place that changed. And then over here it says 1,000 less. So if we take one of these thousands away, then we have only 6,000. So we're going to do that. So I have 6,000. I didn't change the hundreds, tens, or ones place, so I'm going to write those down the same way. Okay, so if you know what, I realized I was blocking the 40 there. So this is something you can look at, okay, to help you with the next one. So on the next one, I want you to use a different number. So the number I want you to use, so please write this down, is, I want you to use the other one, which was I'll use it a lot. So 9,888. Okay, sorry, I'm going to do that in brown here. So this number you will write into your place value graphic organizer, okay? And you will do it the same way that I just did the other ones. You'll do it in word form, expanded form, 1,000 more, 1,000 less, the value of the digit in the thousands place, and the value of the digit in the tens place. If you need to review that, you can watch the video again. All right? Have fun, and I'll talk to you soon.